Hi, this is Lee Gettess with my market sense for the week of March 2nd, 2010. Hard to believe we're running into March already. All the charts we're using today will be provided from Genesis, their trade navigator software. Really like the way it's system testing and everything. Really like that puppy. Let's look at the Treasury bonds, which have had a surprisingly quiet week so far, although maybe not surprising considering we got an employment report coming Friday. We've got an area right here around the red line, which is, let's call it 117.12, that they're kind of hanging either side of. They've been a little above, a little below, and just sort of hanging around in that vicinity. We've got a target up here at about 118.24 and a green line down here in the 116.06 area. I would bet that we're going to get to at least one of those areas and possibly blow right through them. I just suspect that we might be waiting until Friday before it happens. That's when we've got that employment report, and chances are that there is what they call an ADP employment report out Wednesday morning, and that's actually notoriously a poor predictor of what will be in Friday's report. Sometimes it moves the markets, but I think they've learned to ignore it because it may not have any bearing. So I'm not saying we won't get a move before then, but kind of looks to me like Friday might be the day. And they really, boy, if they take out, yeah, I've got a target here at 1824, but if they get above 118 and start trading, this may not be enough to hold them. They've got room to go up even to test these old highs way back here from December, and it's possible. It's possible they could get going that far. Looking at the stock market, we've this inside bar back here that we then broke out from, a move like that will normally continue for about 3 to 5 bars, and we are into the third bar here. So this resistance that we have up here in the it's about, let's call it 116. It's probably 116 to 120 area, up in that area. It's possible that that could cap them off this week. I really, though, as I've been saying all along, once they come out of this trend and down to this purple area here, I think they're going back up to new highs. I'm sure they're going to at least test it more than they have, and I think they're actually going to new highs. I'm just not sure but what they might take a dip back down first. The area right here, this is about the 1100 area, 1101 really, but right in that area, as long as they hold above that, they're still in a very good position to continue to rally. It's not impossible for them to break down here a little bit below 1090. Not impossible, but I really think it's unlikely. I think they're going up, and I think they could go, I don't know, 1130 or so this week. Now here again, this market is definitely concerned with what's in the employment report on Friday, so we could have a little difficulty getting a whole lot of headway going until then. I'm kind of locked out until Friday. Got to see what the employment report does. I sure hope you guys can find something profitable for yourselves to get into. Thanks for checking in. Hope you'll check in again with us next week.